Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix result code missing data error in Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of browser related issue in Microsoft Edge, here are the fixes. The first one is right click on a start button and choose task manager. Here go to process option from the left side and select your Edge browser and choose end task. You may type in search field Edge, select it, and from the top right corner click on end task. Completely close your Microsoft Edge browser. Thereafter close the task manager windows and relaunch your Microsoft Edge browser and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type Edge, and here choose run as administrator from the right side. Launch your Microsoft Edge browser as administrator mode. You may proceed with right click on Microsoft Edge and choose run as administrator. And check whether you are still receiving error code against Microsoft Edge browser after running as an administrator mode. Then go to the next fixes. Open Microsoft Edge browser, and here from the top right corner click on three horizontal dot and choose settings. Click on three horizontal line against top left corner and choose privacy and security, and here choose clear browsing data. Time range should be all time, and make the check against all these options: browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and click on clear now. Clear your browser caches, cookies and site data, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again click on three horizontal dot against top right corner and choose extensions. And if you have already added any extensions to Edge browser, choose manage extensions. And if you have already added any extension to your Microsoft Edge browser, disable it temporarily. Disable all your extensions and check whether you are still receiving your error code in Microsoft Edge browser. Then go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. From the left side of settings page, go to system. From the right side, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters and run network and internet troubleshoot. There may be a possibility of any network and internet related issue, so you must run network and internet troubleshoot and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. The next one is open Microsoft Edge browser again. Click on three horizontal dot against top right corner and hover the cursor on help and feedback and choose about Microsoft Edge. About Microsoft Edge. Update your Microsoft Edge browser. Here checking for updates, wait, and you will receive Microsoft Edge is up to date. So after updating your Microsoft Edge browser, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on a start button and choose settings. From the left side of settings page, go to app settings. From the right side, choose installed apps. And here in search field, look for Edge. Type Edge in search field. And click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft Edge browser and choose modify. Here you will open repair Microsoft Edge browser. Repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings would not be affected. Choose repair. and follow on screen instruction to complete the ease repairing process. That's